The late Justice Ginsburg will make history one last time this week when the nation honors her in Washington. Jan Crawford is outside the Supreme Court, where that formal farewell begins tomorrow morning. Jan, what events are going to be held? I've heard there's a lot of really important things going on for her.
Yes, and it's all going to start tomorrow. I mean, right now, you'd never believe it. It's just almost strange here because it's just so quiet, like this calm before the storm of a confirmation battle that we all know is coming. But tomorrow and then Thursday, the court will begin to memorialize her, and then members of the public can come and pay their respects. Justice Ginsburg is going to lie in repose tomorrow and Thursday at the top of the steps here at the Supreme Court after a private service inside the courtroom for her family, close friends, the justices, and their spouses. Her casket is going to arrive here at the court just before 9:30 in the morning and taken into the building by Supreme Court police officers. They'll be greeted by some of her former law clerks who will be serving as honorary pallbearers, and then she'll lie in repose underneath the portico at the top of those steps until 10 o'clock on Thursday night. On Friday, Justice Ginsburg is going to lie in state at the U.S. Capitol, which for a woman who was so often the first is also going to be a first. Like Anthony said earlier, she's going to be the first woman to lie in state inside the National Statuary Hall. There will be a private interment service next week at Arlington Memorial Cemetery, where she will be buried next to her beloved husband of 56 years, Marty. Gail?
Oh, boy, I've heard so much about the marriage that she had. Jan, you just said that she's the first woman to ever lie in state at the Capitol. Let's just think about that for a second. Number one, sorry that it's taken so long, but if you have to be a first, it's so fitting that it would be she. You covered her for many years. What does this moment mean when you think about her legacy?
You know, it's hard to even kind of put it into words, Gail, because I think that, you know, I've never covered anything like it in the 26 years that I've covered the court. I think we have to look back years when you see, you know, a battle to replace a pioneering, trailblazing figure who, you know, led a life committed to equality for all. This is really a unique moment, I think, in our nation's history, not only for her legacy and what she meant to the country, but for what the country is now about to go through with the battle over her successor.
All right, Jan, we're all watching. More to come. Thank you very much.